Hi, thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. When you work with EWI, you are building a relationship with a company who's actually gone out and proven this concept is in the same business you're buying into. We've been doing this for about 4 years. We've gone out, procured our own municipalities, worked with solid waste companies for solid waste container maintenance. And the credibility, the resources over the years we've been out there doing this service, we share this with you in our Kickstarter package. When you're shopping for your system, work with a company who has gone out and proven scalability. EWI will offer you that and much more. Please visit our website, ecowashindustries.com, or feel free to give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. If you're thinking about doing this business, I would love to get on the phone with you, share with you again what has worked for us, what hasn't, and share with you what it is that we do to help you launch your business. Remember, we're not a franchise. This is your own brand, and our goal is to help support the success of your new company so you'll come back to us in the near future. Again, this is Greg Aganowski. Really do appreciate your time. Make it a great day.